Welcome back to my vlog. So right now I'm in Manila, but I'd like to share with you my 2D HIFU experience. So that's my first time to try it. I had it done at Beauty Scene Facial and Skincare Spa. HIFU, or high-intensity focused ultrasound, is a relatively new cosmetic treatment for skin tightening that some consider a non-invasive and painless replacement for facelifts. It uses ultrasound energy to encourage the production of collagen, which results in firmer skin.
Double chin ko sa baba mo.
Also, I tried getting a lash lift treatment. And here's the result after my first session of HIFU. Second and third session results. Fourth and fifth sessions. And yeah. Can you see the difference? Amazing. Firmer and tighter skin evident among the cheeks and my chin area. Have you ever tried HIFU or any non-invasive treatments? Please comment below, and I'd like to try or check them out also. So generally, it was a painless treatment or experience. HIFU is you just lie down, higa ka lang, and then you'll have a machine. I think you have already seen it in the video. And then after that, yeah, it's like 15 to 20 minutes, and yeah, you can see the difference right away. So I hope it helped you if you ever I'd like to try having this kind of treatment, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!